Welcome to Takeaways, quick, focused episodes from Take a Cue, where we share concise insights, tips, and ideas to help you on your musical journey.
In the next few minutes, you'll get practical advice and inspiration you can carry with you. Let's dive in. Today, we're diving into a topic that can make a big difference in your beginning band: creative seating charts. Let's break the mold and explore some unconventional seating arrangements that can optimize your band's sound, help you run a more efficient rehearsal, and help your students feel more successful. Here's the issue. Seating beginning band students can be a daunting task. Let's be honest, there are some sounds that you really just want to shove to the back of the ensemble. And we've all faced challenges with balancing instrument groups, the acoustics in our rehearsal spaces, the size of our stage, and incorporating the needs of our individual students into our seating charts. Traditional seating charts often fall short, leading to sound quality issues, spatial constraints, and frustrated musicians. Let's explore some non-traditional seating strategies that can help you overcome these challenges. Consider this: mixing instrument groups, maybe pairing instruments that play similar parts, such as oboes with trumpets or clarinets with saxophones. This can help blend the sound and improve the cohesion within your ensemble. Consider flexibility with your front line. Don't be afraid to move trombones or other instruments that are normally in the back of the ensemble right up front. This can improve projection and visibility for them. In my first concert of the year, my trombones always sit right up front for a couple reasons. One, they're still figuring out how much room they really need for the slide. And the other reason is I like to put them right up front so that I get more trombones next year. When the younger kids see them right up front, they're like, oh, that's cool. And the trombone kind of sticks with them. Spatial optimization. Experiment with different seating arrangements to maximize your space. For example, those flutes need a lot of elbow room. Consider seating flutes in 2 rows on stage right for more elbow room, or maybe even creating a half row of low brass in the back to make more room for percussionists directly next to your low brass students. Ultimately, the best seating chart is the one that meets the needs of your students. Consider the best individual strengths, weaknesses, and learning styles when making your seating arrangements. By thinking outside the box, you can create a more effective and enjoyable learning environment for your beginning band students. Some of the benefits of creative seating include improved sound quality. Strategic seating can help blend instrument groups and enhance overall sound. Enhance student performance. When students are comfortable and focused, they're more likely to perform at their best. Increased engagement. A well-designed seating chart can create a more dynamic and interactive rehearsal space. And greater flexibility. By being open to experimentation with this, you can adapt to challenging and changing circumstances within your group and student needs. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution for anything in beginning band. By thinking creatively and experimenting with different arrangements, you can find the optimal setup for your group. Please chime in on social media with your alternative seating charts. We want to hear about it. We want to hear what you're already doing. And I hope you find this quick conversation about creative seating charts helpful to your rehearsal planning.
3, 2, 1, yeah!
Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Takeaways.
For more in-depth discussions and insights, be sure to check out our full-length episodes of Take a Cue.
If you found this helpful, please rate and review the podcast. It really helps us reach more music educators just like you.
Subscribe on your favorite podcast app so you never miss an episode. And don't forget to connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube for more content and updates.
Finally, share this podcast with your friends and colleagues who are passionate about music education. Until next time, let's get out there and make great music.